Hello and welcome back to Go Programming series. In this episode, we will install Go, verify the installation, and write our first Go program inside VS Code. So let's get started. Now, to download Go, visit google.com in your favorite browser, then type Golang download. The first link that is showing up is the link to official website of Golang, so we'll visit it, then click on download. Now we see multiple options to download based on operating system. So in my case, the operating system is Windows, so I'll click on this one, but you can choose the appropriate option according to your operating system. I'll click this one. The download will begin. This is the setup file. It has an installer which will help you to install software as you do with other applications. Now, I actually already have it installed, so let's jump into VS Code's integrated terminal and verify if Go is installed successfully. To verify that Go is installed on our system, we could simply check its version by typing go space version. This will return the appropriate version of Go that is installed on our system. Yes, we see that Go 1.24.1 is installed. Now, we could also see other options available under the Go command by simply typing Go. So if you see here, Go bug, Go build, Go clean, all are the other commands available that we will learn in the course of this tutorials. Now, let's jump into the actual Hello World program, which you all are here for. Every program in Go begins with a package declaration. In our case, I'm going to name a package main to indicate that this is the entry point of our program. Next, we need to import all our required packages. So in our case, I'm just going to import a package named FMT, which we will use to print something on the console. Next, we are going to create a function, and the name of this function is also going to be main to indicate that this is a special function which is going to be the entry point of our program. Now, we are going to use the import that we have made, that is fmt dot and say println, which is a method available here. And within it, I can specify the text that I want to print. So in our case, we will print hello world LMP learners here. Right. I believe this is good. Now we need to execute this using integrated terminal in VS Code. To execute this, we just have to type go, then run, and the file name that we want to run. In our case, I have named it ep2.go. .go is the extension, and ep2 stands for, of course, episode 2 of our series. So I'll just say ep2.go, and there we have Hello World LMP learners here. So this was the Hello World program in Go language. We just wrote and executed our first Go program. That's it for today's episode. We installed Go, verified our setup, and wrote our first Go program. In the next episode, we will explore variables, data types, and basic operations in Go. So don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more Go tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you.